You
Morning, good morning, good morning.
morning, brother. Miss
Woo!
Sean. Miss Sean,
Oh,
yeah. Miss Sean was waiting right there.
good
There we go.
morning, morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Watch this Tesla break this level here real quick. Second trading Tesla. Second trading Tesla. Come on. Let's get to 244. Next target. Come on, Tesla. 244. Next break. Come on. How's the mic there, Mark?
Good,
Good, good, good. Thank you.
good. Maybe yesterday you were just low, man. You just didn't have that enthusiasm like you do on a Friday, man. And Friday you gotta get
Whoa,
pumped
it's
up.
Friday. Yeah, 237. What you talk about? Woo!
TGIF.
TGIF, welcome. The weekend is here. I just want to celebrate.
Toot, toot, toot.
Celebrate, man. Celebrate.
All
I
right,
just
there she's
want
running.
to
Okay, let me get to
celebrate.
YouTube here.
There you go. Come on, Tesla. Get it. Second. Let's go. 244. Come on.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Bashan.
Morning,
Good morning.
Naj. Morning.
Naja is
Okay.
trying to get connected.
Oh, he's not connected yet.
Come on. There
Let's
we
go, Tess.
Come on, Tesla. Come on. Let's go, baby. Woo! Eat it up. Eat it up. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Break. Break. I love it. I love it. I love it. Here we go. Target hit. Order fill. Order. Target
Three
reach.
out.
Target reach. Beautiful.
Bam.
Beautiful. Beautiful trade on Tesla.
Yep, I just
Beautiful.
took partial. 43.13. Let's go to my stop.
Go. Beautiful trade. That's how we do it.
That was.
That was great.
Morning, guys.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning.
I
Morning,
got that for
Naja.
you to.
Are you in NVIDIA?
No, I'm not. I took Tesla instead today.
Oh, okay.
I gave
So I'm
NVIDIA a break. Mark did.
yeah, I'm in NVIDIA and in Tesla.
Oh, nice. Nice.
I'm long 243 average price on Tesla
Okay, good, good, good.
and long 470 on NVIDIA.
Nice, nice.
Small share sizes, not big.
Good, good. You start small, man. Start
Yep.
small. It's building up a repetition of, and then you increase your size as you go. You know, just
Yep.
knowing where your entries are and knowing where your targets are, and you
Yep.
know, knowing where your stop loss is. You just keep at that every single day, man, until you get okay. Now I could increase my share size. Now you're building momentum. Now you're building your confidence. You know, so that's
So
how.
what are the targets you're looking for on Tesla and NVIDIA?
Good morning.
Good morning, Tobias. My first target was here, and we got out on 3/4 of it. This is my third time trading Tesla. I took it here this morning, took it reversal back, and I took it right back up at the top here. So this is my
Cool.
third time. Hit my target at 244. Anything over 244, I'm letting the partial run.
Okay.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Morning,
Good
Andre.
morning.
Did you
Happy
take Neo
Friday
off
to
the bottom
everybody.
this morning, Andre?
I took Snapchat. Look at Snap. We waited 3 days. And
Nice.
today, Snap
Good for
broke
you,
out.
man. Good for you. Did you take Neo as well?
No,
Neo was running too.
no. When I looked at Neil, it was going down, and Snap was
Your
going up.
favorite
Of course, I
stock
took the
earlier
Snap.
was going up.
Yeah, Neo was good today.
Did you play Neil?
No, I didn't play it. But you know, I was just looking at it just because you were looking at it yesterday, was asking about it.
Yeah.
Look
Cause I
at
mean,
it,
it was
memory.
14, 15 bucks, now it's 7.
Yeah,
We're to take a look at it. It's gonna reverse one of those days.
Gotta take
yeah.
some more off the Tesla right
Good
here.
morning, Kenny. How you doing?
Good. There we
Good
go.
morning, Steve. Check the AVGO and RH for reversal.
Oh man, those are big boys. AVGO. Oh yeah, those are yesterday plays.
Nothing.
I'm on Disney calls and Netflix calls. Netflix 6.7%, Disney 91%, and Amazon took like $20.
Nice.
Yeah.
I gotta see AVGO back over this level here, man.
So
That's what
is SPY as at the all-time high now, right now?
I didn't check the spy yet. This could be a break through the VWAP there to this level here for a nice quick trade
7.
here.
Yep.
The VWAP there. Stop loss here.
That's it. That's the 52-week high.
The 2-week high for SPY, Mark said. Thank you, Mark.
Mm-hmm.
This quick
Another new
break
high.
here
Here
to
it
the
goes.
VWAP, and that would be a
Wow.
target. Anything above
Yeah,
that,
for the Luca.
AVG would be good.
This good day.
GitLib, she's moving.
On which one?
GitLib.
It live, yeah, good. Long?
Yeah, she's moving up.
Yeah,
She's
good,
having
good.
trouble
Long.
up here though. I might take
Yeah.
some out.
GTLB, looking good now.
Cancel
About
replace.
50 cents in the money. 50 cents in the money.
Yeah, I'm gonna take
Just need 59 and then we'll be good out of here. It look good.
Wow, Nvidia doesn't want to stop.
Oh yeah, good for NVIDIA. So let NVIDIA go. Let it go. If you're not in it, you miss it. Let it go. Nice. That was the target on NVIDIA.
mhm.
Boom. Wow.
Yep.
So you look for this level to short it down here. If it keeps running, the higher it go, the better it is, yeah? So that target is met.
Yeah. It's looking good.
Yeah, it
NVIDIA.
sure is.
Yeah, it's crossing 471,
I took some
498.
profit.
Yeah,
I took some
going up.
profit in GitLib then.
You pull it down. EMPH, come on, EMPH, let's go.
MPH, oh yeah. I trade MPH.
VWAP projection on here.
Just waiting for it to come.
EMPH.
843. And I'll say 5843.
You guys on NVIDIA?
Huh?
Are you guys on NVIDIA?
No, I'm not in
No, I
it.
traded it.
Oh,
I
okay.
traded it earlier this morning.
That's the pulling back some.
Kept it. It's in at 466.94.
Need docs to keep running. I need docs at 2480.
PRDO looks like it's gonna be a fail. PRDO. Stop loss in. 2 cents away.
PH. PH is trying to make that move. Watch DOCS at 2450. Watch DOCS at 2450. AMPH is coming up. Let's see what it does at rebound there. Market is slow right now. Serious?
Check DocuSign.
It's Doximity, Docs. Doc, he signs up too.
What's the letter on the
Steve, also check
what's the
Wheeler.
DocuSign on? DOUCU?
DOCU.
Can't remember. I get so much. Wow, that was great.
Yep, look at that. Bam.
DocuSign was nice. Wow, that was a nice break on DocuSign. Yeah, it's that great reversal there on DocuSign. You're in it already? Are
Yes.
you're in DocuSign already?
That's it. I'm in that. I'm down. We gotta get live.
For more long, this would be right at this level here. This 80 for DocuSign.
I'm thinking like 49.
You already in it already?
Yes. Yeah. My
Okay,
entry is
good.
45.
What was your entry?
45.
45. That's awesome, man. Oh, hell. Oh,
Watch
absolutely.
Yeah, what's your EMPH? It's coming up now.
Absolutely.
45 is pretty good.
45, you $3 in. Did you take a partial yet?
Yes. Already done.
Yeah, 45, that's 4 points. I mean, you can't ask for anything better in a trade like that. You cannot ask for anything better. That's a home run, man. That's a home run right there. That's a triple. Triple home. That's that target. Your target is what, 49?
Yeah. 49.
Good, good. You have enough partial to take off a partial here at 49, right? And let the rest and secure at least almost two and a half points. At 47.40, 47.50, and secure that. Take another partial at 49 if you have enough to take off.
Okay.
You know, just be smart about it.
Did we ever trade Wolf? WOLF?
Yeah, we traded
It's going up right now. It's
Wolf before. It's 40.60. Yeah, it would have to break this level here on 40.60.
right. Sounds good.
Hey, remember last night's pick MLGO? You found
Yeah.
the support. You should watch it because it was down a lot last night from like what, 15 bucks or something to $2.
Yeah,
Watch Delta.
count this Wolf here. I like Wolf right at this. Yeah, stop loss would be right here on Wolf. Okay. But I'm gonna trade Wolf here. Like this break here, because that was my target before. Stop loss. My computer is being slow today. No, it's acting weird. To the top here on Wolf. Right. We get there. Unlike how the movement in the market is at. We'll get that. I like Wolf because if Wolf here, get over here, see if we could get over there on Tesla. How's everybody doing today? Welcome, welcome, welcome everybody on YouTube. Happy Friday. Welcome to 200 and what, Mark?
236 days, only 15 days left of the challenge, brother.
36. Are you kidding me? Man,
Actually,
I'm excited, man. I don't know. I don't think anybody is excited as me to finish.
I am excited. I am excited.
Hey,
Very
after
excited.
After you finish the 1 year, what are you gonna do? You're gonna stop live streaming or what?
No, we get into our paid subscription part of it.
Paid subscription.
We got our
Okay.
crypto coming up and we got our merch store coming up. It's so much behind the scene that we're doing, man. So you see me sometime getting off early and sometime I stay late, even beyond what I'm supposed to stay. But, you know, I'm trying to give you guys the best opportunity to be successful out here, you know?
Yeah.
got
Just
that
working
meat
in
in
the
you, man.
background, getting stuff done. Mark is just hard at work, man. Just doing stuff, man. I appreciate you, brother.
Oh, I appreciate you, man.
I don't think all of this could
Then you guys gonna what? Run the Facebook campaigns and then let a bunch of people.
what was that?
After a 1 year, you guys gonna make your channel bigger, do some campaigns.
Yeah, I just, you know, we
There's
have
gonna be a lot of people here.
yeah, we have people here, you know, and I wanted to put it out to the masses, you know. When I took on the challenge, I said, you know, if I'm gonna do this challenge, why not build that base and let everybody else appreciate it, you know? The videos are out there through the whole challenge, you know, so the transparency is out there, you know. Now it's just taking it to a whole nother level, having Jose Lowe come in as somebody else that could add to the channel with the crypto part of it, and myself with the stock, and to give you guys the best of both worlds, you know. He knows his stuff, and you know, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. Nice on Wolf. Wolf, nice. Let's go to Wolf. Tesla is struggling up there. Come on, Wolf. Come on, Wolf. Let's go. GTLB. I've been struggling up here too. Docs. We need docs to run. Somebody got docs at 2450. Looking good. We need our target to get back up to 2480 on docs. That's where we need our target.
Steve, check out Mara. Bitcoin is running, and so is Mara.
Come on, Wolf. Let's go. Looking good. Who else is in Wolf?
No.
I am.
I just call it out, but because I'm on media, Amazon, and
Okay.
but Disney,
Oh, there she
Netflix, and
goes.
Nvidia. That's where I'm kind of watching. But Wolf is working out.
We pick him, we trade him. That's just what we do, right?
Yes.
We pick him, we trade him. Docs, come on, Docs. Let's go. Wow, JP Morgan at 158, guys. EMPH is struggling. Okay, EMPH, I'm done. Okay, here we go.
For Wolf, you're gonna leave a partial in?
Yeah, I'm
41?
gonna leave at my entry. See here, Wolf. Give me a minute here. Let me see EMPH 108, 107.8. See if we could break this level on here. 107. Come on. That level. It's 41 on Wolf.
Get lib topped out.
Hmm?
Get lib.
Tesla?
No, get lib. GTLB. It's gonna come down. I'm gonna be out. I'm out. There it is.
Your blip.
Yep.
Top. Some resistance there.
Couldn't.
Come on, EMPH.
Past that 49, 59. Okay.
EMPH want to make that move. I want to see it break this level here. See if it have the momentum to push it through.
Let me know when you're ready. I give you another one. I got another one.
What you got? What you got? Go ahead.
Unity software. It's got volume 3.8 million. I don't know if you like to trade on in the way down.
Brother, you're on the 15 minutes. That's why your candles are different than mine. There you go.
You
Wonder why your candles are
is
different.
right here. Some meeting resistance here on you. Look at the resistance up there right here. Break that. That would be great. Great trade. Great trade on you. That momentum to break this level here. That's where you at right now. Look at the daily. 33. Where your resistance is again, your next resistance is at 35.21. Okay. Right, so that would be your target. Let's go back to 5 minutes here. Yeah. You have to get over 34 for anything to happen here.
Above 34.
Got to break 34. EMPH, I don't want to miss that.
Running. I'm in it.
You're in it?
Yeah, 107.12. But I took a loss earlier, so I wanted to get back. Yep.
EMPH coming up.
Yep.
Get ready.
She's moving. She's moving.
Get ready. Come on. 74. All right, let's go. EMPH. Let's go. Come on. Come on, EMPH. Wolf looking good now, right? EMPH.
Boom.
Good, EMPH. Wolf. Come on. Come on, EMPH. There you go. I love it. That's what you got to do. Come on, EMPH. Let's go. One more pump. 108. Come on. Give us 108. Come on. Wolf.
She was
Oh,
there. Come on.
I'm gonna have to get a soundboard or something like that.
I try to get you to get the other mic with the soundboard.
Get it.
Come out. Not gonna make it.
Come on, EMPH. Back to my entry. What's going on here? Come on, get back up there. Wow. Wolf just tap this here.
Wow.
Wolf just tap it. Wow.
Spiked it.
Wow. Let's change direction, man. Okay, GT.
Spy's pulling down.
All right. Wow.
They flat.
EMPX just turned.
Yep.
We still got more. Hold on.
To check first solar FSLR.
Hold on 1 minute here.
Watch Reid. Yeah. Spy's pulling hard.
It was about time.
On what? About time on what?
SPY pulling back.
Don't need the SPY pullback. It pulled back EMPH. That's what it did.
And Tesla.
Pull back the SPY and
And
Tesla.
Wolf.
Yeah,
It's killing the Wolf.
yeah. Killing me on EMPH too. There you go, EMPH. Wow. What a pullback. Same thing with Wolf. Same thing with Wolf. VWAP. Let's see what we do. Same thing on Wolf. VWAP. Wolf.
SPY's at the VWAP. Just broke through the VWAP.
On which one?
SPY. Just broke the
Yeah,
VWAP.
Wolf is looking weak.
Yeah.
It's got to go above the 15 EMA to show any strength.
Yeah, that great momentum going up, man. It happens, guys. It happens.
Yeah.
Now I got to see where I stop my stop loss on EMPH right here at the VWAP here.
So you're gonna stay in Wolf?
No, I'm getting ready to come out of Wolf. I'm giving Wolf to the VWAP. Same thing as EMPH. All right. That was it on EMPH. Wolf, the same thing.
Yeah, ENPH continues to drop.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
does yeah, Wolf. They're both acting the same.
Yep, the same one. The same thing. The same thing happened to EMPH is the same thing that happened to Wolf. So we wait. We wait.
Time for a break.
Time for a break. Yeah. Time for a break.
Yeah, that same pool took Nvidia down, Netflix down, Disney as well.
Couldn't get out on EMPH because we had a spike, right? You don't get out on spike. So I had to wait, protect the loss by having the stop loss at the VWAP, as you could see, spike right through it. Right? So that's that. Now we want to see what it's going to do here. Look at that bounce.
Steve, can you take a look at MLGO? Last night's pick? The one we missed last night? I mean, yesterday?
That FS.
MLGO.
I got you. FSLR. I think that was the first one. Nothing. No movement here. Spread is 13 cents. Though. Yeah. Using the gap as support. Watch that 15, 153.80 here, 151.80. Watch it there. To get over this 260, Andre.
Anybody knows why you dropped like a rock last night? I mean, yesterday? Bad news or what?
It sold out.
Whoa, I mean, shit, from 15 to
Sold
two
out.
bucks? That's crazy.
Sold out.
Hey Steve, do you use the 15 EMA?
No. No. I don't use the EMA at all.
I use 9 and 20.
So I heard this well indicator, the EMA, and if there's like a bullish candle that hits the 15 EMA, that's a good entry point. So I've been testing it out. It works pretty well. Just thought I'd share it.
EMA. I don't think I have EMA on.
Yeah, everybody has them.
I never looked at it.
Yeah, you don't need it.
You know, one thing I noticed, the more indicators, the more you get confused. If you get
EMA.
one or
Yeah.
two is enough.
And I
Yeah,
don't know if it lets you adjust. So yours is at 14 right now. I wonder if it lets you do 15.
Yeah, you just go edit.
Like I only use
Which one
B1
get to be
and
15 though?
You
I
go to
think the
style.
first one. Well,
You can choose anyone.
Never used this before. The 15, 10, 20, 40, 60, and 200. That's your
I
setup?
I just use the 15. So I don't know why it's showing you all those other ones, and which one is the blue one? Like, is it 15?
The blue one, I don't know. It has to be.
Go to the setting, Steve. Yep, right there.
I think
You
it's
see
style.
the tab style. You have to remove all of them. Just click on the 15.
Yeah, the top
Okay.
one.
Check all of
Yeah.
them.
Gotcha, buddy.
And you can choose what color you like.
Mm. That's the
Almost like a
VWAP. So
VWAP.
every time it hits what?
So whenever it hits the 15 EMA with a bullish candle, green candle,
Uh-huh.
it signals like an upward movement.
Gotcha.
Well, if you look at this graph, I mean, it hit once and it went down.
This right here, it hit once
No,
right here.
no, no, she said
Yeah,
no.
so that first candle is like a bullish one. So if that's your entry point, the next bullish candle was, so it's like for a quick trade. It works for a quick trade.
Scalp.
Yeah.
Well, see, EMA 9 and 20 works better. As soon as they cross, it's a bullish signal.
Here it is right
Okay.
here. The EMA is right here. It's hitting it right now. But then look, you got the VWAP here to go against. Wolf. Here we go back with Wolf again.
Yeah. That hit
There you go. But look at your resistant pressure right here at VWAP. Look at these pressure. It comes to the VWAP, it get rejected, right? Get rejected right here. It's trying to pull through here. Come on, Wolf, what are you doing? Let's see how this EMA thing works here. I never used it, but I always use my VWAP.
It's good for scalping.
Oh, for scalping. Okay, got you.
Tesla's putting back up. Just hit that 15 EMA.
So what it look like on Tesla? And there you go.
I got a one for scalping. CLSK.
CL
CLSK.
B
I'm gonna type it in the chat.
BLSK.
CLSK. It's got 12.84 million volume. It's going up, and if you
You
go to
said
the,
Bravo. Let me look at it.
if you go look at the weekly,
Oh, CLSK. Got you.
yeah, the weekly, it tells you like it's going up, and compared to, you know, all other like May, September, May.
It is acting up. That's nice. Some rejection up there at 1050.
Like if you look at the weekly time frame,
Yeah, nice.
and
Nice
then if you
up.
move all the way to the left, you see that
Yeah.
they gonna play the
That would be the next resistance there at 1384.
sack.
All right.
Yep.
That would be your next one. Come on, Wolf. Yeah, that would be that one there.
Hey, Steve, can you look at the Lucid when you have a chance?
Comes lucid, man. Comes lucid.
Yeah, what do you think? Above?
Got a break above here. Yeah, absolutely. We in a range now. This is the range. Momentum, keep it in. Volume coming in. Come on, Wolf, you're doing this to me again. You know what happened, right? When you do that, they will pay. Wolf will pay. Be what? Again. Okay. All right. Big resistance up here on Wolf. Resistance there on Wolf. So we need to get to this level here. We're there. Tapped it. Now we need to get to it. That's all. Patience. 30 minutes.
All right, so I'm now back up again on Disney, Netflix, and Nvidia.
Nice.
I never saw because I know where the direction is going on the trend.
Yeah.
The
Go, my man. That's it.
the drop was at 11. I mean, not 11, but be like 15 minutes before 11. I don't know if people tend to sell at that time or what happened.
Yeah.
It pulled a lot.
That's what the MPH is doing. Nothing. Wolf and EMPH is doing the same thing. Sitting at VWAP. Do we got talks today? Anybody talking today? Mark, how you doing today, man? You good? You green?
I just posted the what I'm actually at.
Yeah, of course I'm
the
green, brother.
Oh, I don't know. Good morning, Mike. Sean is in the building.
That.
Morning,
Sean's in the
morning.
house. I didn't hear the
I'm here,
siren go
man.
off.
I'm here.
I didn't hear
Sean
a
is in the
siren,
house.
brother. I heard him outside, but I didn't hear him in the
No,
Zoom.
man, I'm here.
You gotta have a siren to let us know you're in.
I took Tesla and AVGO, but I'm flat right now.
Yeah, me too. I'm flat. I took NVIDIA the first thing in the morning.
Yeah, I should took Tesla back up off the VWAP. It just bounced off of it, but
I said the same thing. Like, dang. Okay, I'm flat. I'll stay that way. Oh, good.
you guys see Lulu this morning, man?
Lulu?
No,
No,
I
I
didn't look at
haven't
it.
seen Lulu.
Yes, I saw
Hey.
it.
It was down big time in pre-market, and then it just
Took off.
Oh, wow.
yeah, man,
Yeah.
Yeah. I
so
just can't afford
40
it.
points.
32
40
points.
points?
Yeah,
32.
20,
Yeah.
20
Yeah,
points.
40. Yeah.
Oh, it didn't do nothing when I wanted to trade it,
Yep.
right? The other day.
Yeah,
Why wasn't that on your list today, brother?
yeah, man, 38 points off the bottom, man.
2
Wow.
days ago. On the 6th, you had it.
Yeah.
Nate,
Don't
I'll
want
tell
to do
you.
nothing.
Yep.
Look at it today.
Yep.
Man. Gone, Lululemon.
But Let's
Okay.
see. What did we have it at 2 days ago? Lulu long over 460. So it came down like 10.
Yeah, I saw it on the second candle, but I figured it was at its high and
Yeah.
didn't get
Oh,
into it. It hasn't looked back, man.
you got to come into the Zoom and say, "Hey, no, we weren't open yet, right?"
Can't catch everything.
Yeah, we weren't in yet.
Yeah.
I tell you, I look back sometime, I'm like, man, only if I have some more monitors,
Still.
it'll be going crazy. Then
Mate,
we
you never have too many monitors.
but
Never.
you need some eyes. That's what you need. When you-
Well, can you take us back to the time you picked it and what did you see
On which one?
on Lulu?
Let me go back. Where's my entry on Lulu?
2 days ago, the
Hold
6th.
on. Lulu, what was it? 460, 80 was long.
What are you guys actually trading anyway? What are you trading on? What platform are you using? And yeah,
Where-
like is
I'm using Webull. Webull is the platform I'm using.
yeah, right.
Some people are using TD Ameritrade. What else we got? Think or Swim. I know some people IBK or something like that. Mark.
Yeah, I think it's IBKR that Yasin uses in Portugal. Man,
I'm
I
more
don't think any of
Rapid.
those platforms are actually available in Australia, to be honest.
What platform you using?
I said I don't think any of those platforms are likely available in Australia.
Oh, Australia.
Where
Oh,
I'm
okay.
from.
what platform you use, Rob?
Well, I use Superhero, which is pretty much like a knockdown version of Robinhood. So you sort of you've got that whole Robinhood type of setup where you've got the fee for service sort of thing where you don't really get the priority for your trades, but you still get to trade with everyone else. And you don't actually hold your assets; they're held by the platform.
Okay.
Yeah, we missed that, Sean, at 242 on Tesla.
What was it? The 6 you said? The 6.
Yeah, 2 days ago.
Yeah, so the
Wednesday.
6 I have it here at 460.80. That's where I wanted to get long to go here.
460.80.
We watched it that whole day and it didn't do
Yeah,
anything.
it didn't do anything. It didn't break until the following day. This was it right here. Let me get this
Yeah,
down.
I see it.
And how do you guys find these different Zoom meetings and all that sort of stuff that that are live at any particular moment? I was searching around on YouTube, and I sort of came across this. Obviously some of the content here, even though I do have ways and means of being able to trade across different US markets.
Yeah, I got a watch list that I trail every single day. I have like 3 different watch lists that I have over 8 years now. And like I
Yep.
put stuff in and put stuff out, but I've got to the point where everything in my watch list, I've set it up and do the background work on it to where when I get an alert, it's a trade that could be taken.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Okay, and then if nothing is really not going in the market, then I go to screeners, and
Yep.
our subscribers in here will say, look at this, look at that, so all eyes are in the market, and we look at potential trades that's gonna benefit us. I try to set up the best opportunity for us to take a trade.
Oh, that's good, man. That's really good.
Yeah, because that's what we're here. We're trying to build wealth one trade at a time, right? That's the reason why
No,
you're
absolutely, absolutely. And I
that was
mean, like we can't really rely on our pension schemes and our governments to.
right.
I'm sorry, like I'm sitting outside at the moment. Like it's what time is it here? It's like 2 a.m. for me. So sorry, I'm a bit blurry. Um,
No worries. No worries. No worries.
yeah, we can't be relying on traditional markets and our automatic systems to be setting things up for us to make sure we can retire comfortably. We need to be proactive in what we're doing.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And that's why I did this. I had to after I work years and from corporate, give them 20 plus years of my time, then they're gonna say they're gonna move into a different direction. Your skill set is no longer needed. Or what they do is a kid come out of college and they pay that kid a smaller wage just to save that money, right? And looking to go younger or whatever the case may be. And that's how corporate does. And you know what? After that, I promised myself I will never be in this situation again. And I came to stock and kind of educated myself. And here I am trying to teach it to everyone.
Yeah, I mean, like people do need to realize that you're in control of your own wealth. It's not really about just relying on the day to day and the basic. Like yes, we do have our obligations. Yes, we do have our bills. We have all these things we need to pay for. But
Yes,
you need to be setting money aside for yourself for your future, and
absolutely.
that money needs to work for you.
Yeah,
So when I was talking about like different platforms we have in Australia, and I was talking about Robinhood, these platforms are very simple platforms that you can use to give you an entry pathway.
right.
Yes, they're not as good as having a proper brokerage account set up with your bank or
Mm-hmm.
with your financial institution or whatever the setup is that you have in your various jurisdictions, but at least you have an on ramp.
Absolutely. Absolutely, man. Make it work for you. I knew that when I saw this trading thing that I wanted to be in it. I wanted to be in it. I saw what it could do. I saw what the
Yep.
potentials were. I said, you
Yeah.
know what? I'm gonna do whatever it takes for me to learn this skill set. Whatever. And at the end of the day, the money that I'm spending now, I'm invested in it, in myself. You go 4 years of college and that really don't really pay out for you. So which one? You could go to college and spend 4 years, right? Thinking that you're gonna come out and you're gonna have a job, right? Not if you're like
Yes.
a lawyer, a doctor. You know what I mean? Those are guaranteed jobs, right?
Yep.
Nurses, accountant, those are guaranteed jobs. But the working at these little industrial places, those jobs ain't guaranteed. They're not guaranteed. So
Well, I mean, like looking at the education system that you guys have in the US compared to what we have here, it's very very different. So, as far as secondary education and all that sort of stuff's concerned, we have tertiary education, so we still have universities and stuff over here, but we don't have the same sort of debt that you guys incur. We still have, if you want to be a doctor, you still end up with a tremendous amount of debt,
right.
and you still have to support yourself through the whole process.
Uh-huh.
But you're not ending up with like a $500,000 loan. You're ending up with a loan that you owe the government, and it's tied to inflation. So like if you wanted to become a doctor in Australia, you still have to devote your 7-8 years, all that time that you're working as a doctor, you're studying, you're doing the placements, you're working as an intern. You have to become a specialist in a certain field before it's actually worth anything. But
right.
Over here also, like I think what I've seen from different social commentary and all that sort of stuff. Particularly South Park recently, when they were talking about the Pandaverse,
Mm-hmm.
that most recent episode, where nobody knows how to do anything anymore.
Right.
There's more value placed on people that have knowledge that can actually execute something, can actually do something.
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. And that's why I came to this field, because I wanted to know, I wanted to do it for myself. And not only if I could do it well enough, I could teach other people how to do it. And you don't have to go to college for it. And you don't have to do things. You just got to find the time to invest in yourself. You know what I mean? Whatever it is, just like how you go out and buy a car, just like how you go to college for 4 years, 2 years, you're not paying, you're giving them their time and hoping that when you graduated, you're going to find something in your field. As in trading, it could take 2 years, and then after you finish, you could be successful after that. Depends on how you receive it, or how much time you put in, or how much hard work you put in it. You're going to get out of it what you put in it.
100%, mate.
That's how I feel about it, and I'll find a needle in the haystack, and I'm just exploring it right now and just making it fun. It's fun.
I mean, like I look at somebody, look, I've worked in numerous different fields, corporate. I've had my own businesses. I've done multiple different things. I've worked across the crypto industry. I've worked across multiple different fields. When I looked at multiple different businesses, like there's one business, and it's going to mean absolutely nothing to you guys, but like when I try and evaluate a business, I look at multiple different aspects as to what the potential earnings are going forward.
Right.
What the potential dividends are the business is going to be paying out in the future, what liabilities it has to pay out, what the history's like, there's so many different factors. So there's one example, and it's going to mean nothing to you guys, but Retail Food Group in Australia is a multi-brand operator. It operates multiple different franchise systems. So it owns something called Donut King. It owns something called Michelle's Patisserie. It owns Brumby's Bakery. It owns what's the other brands? Cafe Tu. It owns a roastery, so it owns a business that roasts its own coffee. It owns a couple of different pizza chains and a couple of brands that it's sort of phased out as well.
Okay.
And this stock is trading at like 5 cents. It's recently gone through a period where it copped a lot of backlash because the CEO was essentially pumping the stock, and they pushed the stock up to about $7.40.
Oh yeah, it's the same thing in the US, man. They do the same thing.
Yeah. They do it everywhere.
Yeah.
But the reason why I think, like when I'm analyzing the market, the reason I think it's bullish and there's potential with that investment, and I threw 100K at it, was because they recently paid out around $120 million to franchisees that owned company-owned stores.
Okay.
And they had to incur all that on their profit and loss statements over the last, 6 to 12 months. So they've constantly been operating at a loss, and all this sort of settlement's been sort of looming over their heads. And now that's sort of being paid out, and they're still trading at like 5 cents. And that's just been sitting there. So you're not going to be able to access it. It's very hard for you guys to access the ASX, same way as it's hard for me to access the NYSE and the other different exchanges over in the US. But that's the perfect example of a business that's really undervalued in terms of its share price.
Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. And a lot of these stocks that we do, like I try not to trade those stocks, but every now and then you get a good one,
Mm.
pump and dump, those penny stocks. People just come in and pump them up. You get caught in the
Yep.
middle, and that's it. You're down 100 grand. You're down 20, 15.
Yes.
You know,
Yeah, you can be. You can be.
oh, easily. You
Hey,
know.
Steve, I got a pump coin right now if you want to take a look at it.
Okay, let me get out of this Tesla trade real quick, and I'll go and look at that. And looking to see. Um, whoa.
Mate, your Zoom link in your YouTube,
Yes.
it doesn't actually have the copy paste link. It's a little bit difficult. Like you have to manually put it in if you want to use that link.
Oh, it's not copied in the chat on YouTube. You can't copy it from there and go straight. You should be able to.
No.
You should be able to click on it. You should just be able to click on that link and bring you right
Yeah,
in.
you should be able to, but you can't.
You can't.
Well, I wasn't able to.
Well,
All the
and
other
then
links
plus
are clickable.
I put the meeting ID and passcode in there as well,
Yeah,
Rob.
yeah.
And if you're not part of our
Well, that's
Discord,
how I got here. That's
yeah,
how I got here.
you can go to the Discord too, and there's the link and everything there. But it's the same one every day up until the end of this month.
Or
Yeah.
you could go underneath my profile in YouTube, and there you'll find all the links to all the social media that we have. Just go underneath the Zen Zone, and then you'll find all the links underneath the name.
Yeah, no, all good. I was just giving you a heads up. Like as I said, for me, when I wanted to join the meeting,
Thank you.
I wanted to jump it on Zoom. I had to manually type all the information. So I found the video watching YouTube.
Yes.
And I was using Apple TV. Then I brought it up on my phone, and I couldn't just directly click it. I had to manually type in the information. It wouldn't open.
Thank you for letting us know. I appreciate that. Appreciate that. But yeah, we're here. 236 today.
36, 15 more
Make it
days.
236 days Green Day challenge that I've been on this journey since this year started. Mark up top there put me through this challenge here when I wanted to trade about 30 minutes a day. That was what I was gearing up to do, and that wasn't the case. So here we are, 236 green days in a row here on Naked today. So we good. I wish you were here earlier, but you're here now. So glad you could be a part of it. Did anybody in the channel is 5 days green this week? I know we were talking about since Monday, we wanted to be 5 days green.
I'm 5 days green.
Mike, Mark?
Yeah.
I am.
Yeah, I am too.
Okay, 3, 4.
Yeah, brother.
Okay, we got 5. 5 people is green.
I'll raise my hand for your sin.
You raise your hand for your sin. So raise your hand. Raise your hand.
I think everybody is green this week.
Everybody's green, right? That's what I'm talking
Who's
about.
negative? Who's negative? Put your hands up.
Yeah, I need to know who was negative this week.
None.
All right. So we're making progress then, all right?
Let's take a look at
yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna make 20 days this week, right? 20 days green. That's the challenge for you guys. That's the challenge.
Sorry guys. Does somebody mind just posting the Zoom invite so I can just share it with a buddy? He's in the US, so the content's probably going to be more relevant for him than me.
Posting what, Rob?
Post what, Rob?
The Zoom invite link.
Okay.
So the one that you
link?
copy and paste.
Yeah,
Zoom, please. In the chat.
Okay. In Zoom, Mark, what you could do is put those links in the chat.
Yeah, I can put it in chat.
Just put it in the chat. Mark will put it in the chat here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, Mark.
So you will be able to get those links in there, right?
Let me see if I can
Bed
put
Bath
the
and
whole.
Beyond. Okay, Tobias.
I'll put the meeting
Oh,
up
he
in the chat
died.
just in case.
Okay.
Hmm.
Wow. Mark is gonna do that for you right now.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to I'm ready to go down on Wolf now. Reverse my trade here on Wolf. Taking it short, Wolf. Okay.
ARM is also a good one to take a look at. ARM.
Yeah, ARM. So we'll let that happen here.
Rob.
ARM. There you go. Drop all the links in there for me, Mark,
Yeah.
for Rob, so you could go back and check those stuff. ARM. Arms.
If it decides to break out.
Yeah, that was a nice break.
Yeah.
ARM. Come on, Wolf. Let's go.
So you said if you call it, you better get in. I'm in, and I showed it, and it's now starting to run in the way down, 47%.
Yeah, I want to see target on Wolf at I want to see target 39. 39 on Wolf.
39.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, look, it went up
I
on
wanna see
Wolf.
39 on Wolf. Here
Look,
goes
look.
the Zoom link there. Mark, drop the other rest of the link in there for me.
Sure.
The
Gotta grab them.
the TikTok, the YouTube.
Yeah, everything I put on YouTube, I'll put there.
Yeah. Appreciate you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean, you've always got to assume that people won't ask the question. You know, like if there's an issue with formatting or something like that, you've got to assume that people aren't going to make the effort to, try and jump in to the stream. So, you guys are trying to build a brand and, get people on board, get the engagement.
Absolutely. 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 Yeah. And
So
it's
always assume that they won't ask.
appreciate that. It's here for anyone. If you want to, you got a family here. Trading could be a lonely space, guys. That's why we have communities. We chat it up, and
Yeah, we laugh, we cry.
I had a buddy that lost, I think it was like $3.4 million the other day. He was fucking ropeable, absolutely ropeable.
Yeah. Oh yeah, man.
Like, he might have had a positive year all year, but to have that sort of loss in one day, it's it's devastating.
Oh yeah, it can be. It can be. It can be. If you don't know what you're doing in this market, man, it could hurt you. It could put a hurting on you.
It do. It's time in the market. It's not timing the market all the time. So, we always do want to make sure we're making the best decisions and we're doing them at the right, time. We want to make sure that we're getting the maximum possible profit that we possibly can. But like we're not trying to, make all our profit in one day. We're trying to make our profit over time. Over the course of the year, he's still up.
Well, my motto is small basics.
Losing that much in one day is terrible.
Yeah, small basics, man. We look for small basics, and over a period of time, we'll get the home runs. Okay.
Yeah.
And that's what we try to do in this channel. Practice small basic. Practice small basic. I know that the way I trade is that the percentage may not be the same percentage that you have because you may be trading a smaller account, but the percent is still the same if you treat it that way, right? Soon you'll be able to develop the confidence where you could increase your share size, okay? And then it goes from there and just working on that day in and day out. And that's what I come to the market to do every single day. Like a subscriber of us, Edwin, would say, come to extract from the market. That's my only goal, is to extract and be green every single day.
Yeah, I mean,
136
like
straight
the
days.
way the markets work. I mean, we all understand is, it's a zero-sum game, ultimately.
Right.
So people put money in, others take it out.
Yeah.
So it's when you see that sort of ridiculous shit that we saw with GameStop.
Right. I was part of that.
Yeah, and it's just everyone's just throwing money in. Nobody's taking it out. It's just let's keep throwing it. Let's keep throwing it in. And it wasn't until there was interference outside of the user's sentiment that it actually stopped the train.
Yeah.
If nobody actually stopped that train, fuck knows where that would have ended up.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I got stuck in it with Robinhood. And after that, I was optioned in at that point.
Yep.
And when they stalled that stock and said, well, we're not trading this anymore, and when they open it up, it was less than what I bought it for. So I said, the hell with that. I'm not going to do this anymore. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch my technique, move from option, and go straight to stocks. So now I could trade what I would do in options. I could do that 5 times what I do in trade. I could do it 5 times then in options. And not saying nothing wrong with options. It's just that I would never go back to options.
Yeah, of course. But I mean, you look at what that was. That was a massive massive bull flag for the market, really.
Oh, absolutely.
Despite what happened, despite how it all played out, despite how many people got wrecked, it really educated a lot of people on what the potential of these markets.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. The pandemic did too. When people was looking for work, people put thousands of dollars into the market.
Mate, the pandemic, honestly, that was just money printer went fucking bruh. Really, all across the world. It wasn't so much that the markets just switched on and went bruh. It was just that everyone was sitting at home.
Yeah.
Everyone was paid by their employer to work from home. They had no fucking work to do.
Yeah.
Everything was shut down. Everyone was getting, like, in our country, in Australia, like, I'm sure you guys know, Australia is relatively well developed. We have retirement funds, so we call it superannuation, which is similar to what you guys have as your 401k. And turned around and said, you guys can take 10k out now, and you can take another 10k out in 3 months.
Yeah.
So everyone was able to take out $20,000 from their
in the market.
and everyone who was stuck at home and weren't able to work, they were getting paid. Anyone who was unemployed, they got paid 3 times what they were getting paid before.
Right.
And government benefits. So just money printer was fucking on all across the developed world. The UK was similar. You guys were similar. Fucking the government was just saying, here you go. Take the money. Take it. And everything was fucking pumping. Crypto was fucking pumping. Stocks were fucking pumping.
Yeah.
The property market was pumping because everyone was just able to just throw all this money everywhere. And then fucking Airbnbs were pumping because people weren't staying in hotels. They were staying in all these fucking sneaky little accommodations and all that sort of stuff. So, everyone was fucking buying properties and renting them out on Airbnb. And that pumped that fucking market as well. Everything just fucking pumped.
Yeah,
and now we're paying for it.
Yeah, that was great. I'm out of docs. Right now. Oh no, I didn't just do that to docs. Jeez.
Dude, you added to it.
It's not what I
Just
want.
doubled up is what you did.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought he was saying he doxed.
Yeah. I wanted to come out of docs. Yeah. I'm done.
Are you coming out of Wolf, or are you gonna stay?
Wolf, I need to see Wolf right now. I'm gonna take some out of Wolf now. I'm gonna take some.
Man, I am impressed with the way you guys do things. Like you're constantly onto it. You're watching the markets constantly. You're trying to find every profit opportunity. So
Yeah,
I can see
absolutely.
the trades you're doing. And I know there is a lot of opportunity in day trading, and the market's fluctuating so much and so quickly.
Yeah, you just got to find out what is it that you want to do. You know, you got some strategy. You just got to be able to approach the market not just with one strategy. And again,
Of course.
there's different type of technique that you could use to extract money from the market. You know, you just got to find that one and own it and just play with it. You know, for me, I got maybe 10, 15 different strategies that I could use to play with the market, you know, not just one, but, you know, it took 8 years to develop all of that, you know, trials and error. And then knowing what state the market is in, how you approach the market, you know, you got to know your environment, right? Just like anything. If you're working at a job, today may be busy, tomorrow may be slow. So you got to know what to do when it's busy. You got to ramp it up a little bit. And when it's slow, you got to change things up. Maybe you got too many workers. You may put some workers on lunch early or take a longer lunch or send somebody home this day, the next time, send somebody else and stuff like that. But you got to know your environment, you know, so trading.
And you have to know you have to have an investment strategy. You need to know what your end game is.
Yeah,
You know,
absolutely.
some people might be looking for, short term gains. You know, like what I'm seeing here is, there's a lot of short term trades and stuff like that, and you guys are being profitable with it. But then there's other people that want to have long term investments, and they want to invest money, hold it, and see gains over time.
Absolutely.
For me, I believe when it comes to the market, particularly stocks and all that sort of stuff, I believe it was the case where you were looking for long-term gains in stock, but I believe the situation's changed a lot over time. And the reason I say that is, we talked about a lot of the stuff that happened through crypto, and we talked about a lot of the stuff that was happening through COVID and all that other shit. We've also had this, massive situation where we've got a lot of aging people.
Are ruined by Carrier 411. It seems like this is the special weapon.
Sorry, Mike. I muted you.
How are you, Steve?
I'm good. Yeah, Rob.
Cool. Yeah, sorry. We've got an aging population. We've got so many people that have money in their 401ks, their super funds, their retirements, and all that sort of stuff. And a lot of that stuff's tied into the stock market.
Right.
So eventually, we're going to end up in this situation, and it's not going to be like 5 years, 10 years from now. It's probably going to be 20, 25 years from now, where a lot of these people are going to be pulling a lot of liquidity out of that market because they're going to want to cash that money and use that.
Absolutely. Agreed.
That's nothing to be concerned about right now at all. But I'm talking about long-term strategy and all that sort of stuff. It's just we're going to get to that point where is that money coming from? And more than just stock trading, more than just the markets. It's where is that money coming from? Because it's just not going to magically appear. The government just fucking keeps on printing, and it continues to do that. But there's a limit.
Absolutely. My stop loss on that 500 would be at my 40.29 on Wolf. As you can see, Wolf price down here.
You did take the PRDO?
The RD,
Yeah,
no, I
it,
didn't think
it's
it wasn't
gone.
moving as much. Yeah,
Yeah, it's gone.
it's gone now.
Yeah, it's gone. Gone. But 10 cents, 15 cents, not much.
Not much. Okay.
Okay. But
Let's see. Let's
nice,
see what it does
nice
here.
spike. Good spike.
Uh,
I'm trading Tesla.
this 1870 over here on the RDO. The RDO. Yeah, great stuff, Rob. I appreciate you coming on and sharing, man. Definitely. We here, you know. Welcome to the team, you know.
Here we go. Tesla. Third trade now.
Done for the day. Yes.
Almost. Almost. Almost.
You just need a couple more grand,
Yeah.
a little bit more coke, a few more hookers.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Anything you're looking at? So you can't trade the U.S. market. You're saying, right, Rob?
No, I can, and I do, but the US market isn't really that accessible for us in Australia.
Okay.
It's the same
Gotcha.
as I said. You guys have a look at the ASX, so that's why when I started talking about retail food group, it wasn't really me spruiking a stock because it's going to be very fucking difficult for you guys to jump onto that, and that's more of a long-term trade. It's something that is a buy and hold for 6 months.
Gotcha.
You try and flip for a 2x, so you throw like 50 grand in there and try and get 100 grand out.
Gotcha. Swing trades, Yeah, I got you. What are you looking at now? You looking at anything now? Interested in? We could look at it.
I mean, to be honest, it's what have we got? Like 2:30 a.m. So for me, I'm not trading anything.
Okay, got you. That is correct. Yeah.
I'm at the end of a bottle of Wild Turkey Rare Breed, and I'm enjoying a Friday night at home alone.
Yeah, there you go. We do that sometime here, man. We celebrate wins all the time.
Nice.
We celebrate wins, man. We push, celebrate your wins every chance you get, man. Celebrate a win.
My win is I've got the house myself, and I'm completely free.
That's awesome.
Nobody's here. It's
There you go.
fantastic.
Absolutely. Welcome, everybody. Like I said, welcome if you're new on YouTube. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, let you know when we go live in the Zen Zone Zoom. I promise you, this is a channel that you want to be a part of, okay? You want to be a part of it. And I'm not just tooting my own horn. I'm just saying that we did the work, and here we are. We here now, all right? We ain't going anywhere. We're going to be here 2024, 2025, 2026. As long as we could be here, we're going to be here for the people, okay? Understand it. Zen Zone. I'm the Zen Trader. Come on and get LinkedIn. Check us out on all of our social media. The link is in the bio. The link is in the chat. Come on over. Enjoy and see if something you want to be a part of. I promise you, once you've been here, you wouldn't want to go anywhere. I'm telling you. You don't want to go. Right, Mark?
That's it.
Yeah.
14 more days.
Tell them Yasin. Yasin experienced it all. Everybody experienced it all here.
Yes, sir.
Some of you guys been following me for what? A year, 2 years now? 3
I am
years?
making money every day.
Every day.
Every day.
That's
Couldn't make money before.
Yeah, I got in a little late, but it's all good.
It's all good, man. Here we are now. And it don't matter what time you get in. The fact that you made the leap, right? You make the decision. This is what you're going to do. You got to show up. You got to commit, right? You have to. Because this is your livelihood now. It's not some something that you do this, you do that. You know, you got to make it a part of your life now, right? This is going to change your life. This is going to change your wealth being, right? And that's the only reason why I'm doing this, because I've seen so many people in my position before that didn't have the opportunity what to do. You know, they lost their house, they lost their family because they didn't have work, right? I've been
Well,
there.
work is like we talked about, Zen. Work is something where you input your time and you work to make somebody else profit. Essentially,
Absolutely, absolutely. Well, the
you
work
work to grow another business.
depends on what work you do, but
Yeah, I mean,
it's work that prevents you from working on what you really need to do, right? So your time is taken, you're not going to have time to work on you. So you got to decide that, you know what, I'm going to give them that time, but in the same token, I got to do something else that is going to make me better, because I don't want to sit here 30 years. I don't want to be working when I'm 65, I'm 70. Like now I go to the grocery store, I see grandma cashing me out, right?
I mean, Zen. Like
Yeah.
you think about it, you look at the situation with the cost of living that we're all experiencing in developed countries and also in underdeveloped countries. The cost of living, like the price of buying a fucking lettuce.
Oh
How
yeah,
much is that now?
it's out of control, man. It's out.
Come to Portugal, it's free.
It's out of control.
Right, man. What's
Portugal,
your address? I'm coming.
Portugal medication is free.
It's
Oh
out
no,
of,
I'm talking about the price of a lettuce. I'm talking about like food.
yeah.
Like we've got universal health care in Australia, so medication's free in Australia as well.
Mhm.
But the cost of living, all the expenses that we incur on a daily basis, just continue to go up.
Oh yeah.
And like our
View,
wages go
view,
up, but they don't
view,
actually
popping.
keep up with. Sorry.
View, Steve. View.
View.
Yeah. She's popping. 33% up. Sorry to interrupt there.
No, you're right, man. You're right. Money.
There's some money to be made
Money's
here.
what we want to
There's
talk
some
about.
money to be made here.
Yeah, go. Tell them.
Let's see.
Pump it.
Let's see. I will watch that $2 on View first. That's where
I
I
fucking
would.
love a god candle. Let's go. Let's see a god candle.
Yeah, $2. I would wait for that $2 candle there. Let's see here. We got
Oh, look at it go.
$1.89.
That's not a bad candle, man.
Yeah.
Market just tanked.
It would have to come up this way.
Pump it. I love some of the gifts that they have going around. Like the people that just stand there, and it's like they're standing in front of a TV and they're just like essentially pumping the chart, manually pumping the chart with like a buy pump and stuff like that.
Yeah. Nah. We work with what we see here, man. Let the chart speak to me. Let it come to me. Other than that, we're not doing anything.
And I know nothing about any of these businesses you're looking at or anything about their trading history, but to me that right now looks oversold.
Oh yeah.
But I mean, it doesn't mean you can't make money out of it. But to me, that looks fucking oversold.
No. We just look for the best scenario.
Spies pulling, boys.
Yeah, Tesla short.
Yeah, I got stuck in Tesla. And they go look at view. And let's miss the chart there. Then have a stop loss. That's fine.
Yeah, I'm waiting for Tesla to
I
come
think
back.
you guys are way smarter than me when it comes to trading.
Yeah. Thank you, man. I appreciate that.
Tesla short.
We'll see what
Yeah,
Tesla
right
does
there.
at this support here at this 242. We've been here before.
That's I could never sit there and day trade
No,
on anything. I know, like as you said, you guys are way smarter than me. You guys can see the trends and all that sort of stuff. I can see a business and a business's potential, and I can see that over time. But the number of trading bots and stuff that exist now
yeah.
that are constantly pulling liquidity out of the market, left, right, and center.
Oh yeah. So they got butts.
I can't predict anything.
They got butts, but and again, you got to have some strategies that is the base of trading, right?
Yeah.
It's the base.
Yes.
It's not going to go anywhere. The double bottoms are not going to go anywhere. The support and resistance is not going anywhere. As long as you could own in one or two of those simple strategy and master it, you could be successful. Because those things.
No, I don't disagree. I just think you when you look at your double bottoms, those bottoms just drag out a little bit more because you've got so many of these bots that are just having buy and sell limit orders left, right, and center, and then when you do try and start breaking through that resistance is just that little bit harder to break through because you have so many more bots that are trying to trade through that resistance period. There are so many people that have profit taking that are set all the way up. And once you break through that, then you actually do see, more of a breakthrough than you used to see.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. 242.
Yeah, it's going there, man.
242. You already in it? Anybody else?
I'm in it. Yeah. I went at 243.
Okay, good for you. 70 cents in already. Let's see what it does at this 242 because it broke this 242 to the upside. See what it does.
These unrealized P&Ls, whose portfolio is that? Was that you, Zen?
Yes.
What period of time is that?
I got this about a year ago on but I do this every day. I just used that was a demonstration I did, and I was just demonstrated that how your partial could make you more than your initial first trade, and I just left it there and just used that as a talking point every single time.
Yeah, okay.
That's how partial.
Yeah, I was just curious. I've only just sort of zoomed in on that.
Absolutely. 242.
Yeah, SPY's still helping it.
Yeah. Let's see if we could break this 242 here.
Are you guys shorting something?
Yeah, we want to short Tesla at 242.
Shorted to zero. Fucking Elon.
Yeah.
Elon's the biggest fucking market manipulator there's ever been. Fucking hell. Jumps on Twitter and fucking starts spruiking Dogecoin.
There you go. Here we go. See if we get it. Oh, come on. See where we get to go.
How like you guys?
Low. 96. I feel at 41.90. Points going down.
I actually enjoy when I feel like I'm the idiot in the room.
Yeah. You what?
I said I enjoy it when I feel like I'm the idiot in the room.
Oh, no. You're not.
No. I'm saying that seriously.
Remember, you're not trading right now. So.
Yeah, but I'm not trading. But I actually enjoy when I'm in a room where people aren't just, like trying to oversell themselves and misrepresent themselves.
Gotcha.
You guys are actually focused on what you're actually doing.
Yeah.
So like I'm an idiot on a fucking Friday night. So I really don't give a fuck what anyone thinks about me. But what I'm saying is, like when I'm in a room where people are actually focused and
Yeah, got you.
the conversation is quite serious. It's quite
Yeah,
good.
absolutely. It's good. We need that.
No, definitely, and as I said, it shows that you've developed that following over time,
Right.
and you've just stuck to the mantra that you started with,
Yeah.
which is why everyone who's watching right now needs to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah. Absolutely, Rob. Appreciate that. Let's go, Tesla. Let's go.
Bouncing. Spice
Yeah,
coming back.
Spy's trying to build support off that
Yeah.
458.
The same thing right here with Tesla. You can see Tesla right here. You just need to break this. Well, VWAP would be my stop loss on Tesla if we fail to break this support here on Tesla. Let's look at the SPY. Then we could have a opinion on where we need to be. We haven't
Yeah,
checked
it's
that.
hanging at that 250 or the 458.
Spy
Yeah,
below. Spy is below.
we need to break this low here,
Mm-hmm.
support here, and get to let's see, 457. That's where we need. We need to break this support here. 457. We'll get that. We're good. Wolf is looking better now. On the partial on Wolf.
Oh, Prado is still running. Very slow, but she's still running.
Let's look at EMPH, your favorite stock.
Oh man, she's tanking like a pig. She's tanking.
EMPH.
You should have shorted that one. That was the short.
Is that was it Mark?
Yeah, Mark.
Yeah.
The other guy with the Zoom background?
Yes. 103.
There's an app that I installed a little while ago. But I'd have to come back with you with the name of it when I'm not, a bottle of Wild Turkey Rare Breed in on a Friday night. But you can actually set the background to anything you want, and it's not through Zoom. You can change your input on your actual video camera, so that input will apply across whatever you use your video camera for.
Nice.
Okay.
So I paid a license fee. It was something like $100 Australian. So I don't know, like $70 US thereabouts. But yeah, like I can put videos as my background, or I can have something in my foreground as well, so I can look like I'm sitting at a used desk.
Awesome. And the name of it is?
View
As I
$2.
said, I'll have to come
Well,
back to you. I'll have to come back to you.
You could put it in the chat for us, Rob. That would be great.
View $2.
Yeah, I'll have to come back to you when I'm
Okay.
on my computer.
Yeah, views it too.
Step. Step. Yeah, let's see.
Man, I actually love your subscribers.
Thank you. View, we need to be too.
You guys are so focused.
We try to
Incredible.
be. I try to be.
Well, you have some stupid Australian.
You
jumping
blink,
on.
you're gone. You blink, you're gone.
Hey, if you're doing what you guys are doing, absolutely. The market changes so fucking quickly. Like if you're trying to make money on trade to trade, fucking hell,
Yeah.
you're ballsier than I am. Like I'll do stuff week to week, month to month, or year to year. I can't do what you guys are doing unless I have insider tips. When I know something's coming, then then I trade off that 100%. But I can't do this.
Oh yeah, it's not
I
easy.
I understand charts. I understand the fundamentals. I understand double bottoms. I understand bull flags. I understand all of that. But
Yeah.
like, I'm not prepared to sit there and throw 100K in and, try and turn it into 102K, cash it out, and then do it again. Like, yeah,
For me,
I'm,
for me, I enjoy it. And just
There we go.
the fact that I could come in and extract from the market at any time I choose to. At any point, I could come in for 30 minutes. I could come in for 5 minutes, and extract
yeah,
what I really want. And for me, it's fun. It's fun. I make it fun. I make it. You know.
yep.
You know, take the emotions out of it. Not saying I didn't go through all the emotion when I first started, but I did. So it's here. It's here. 43.
Yeah. I mean, you guys do phenomenal with what you're doing. For me, I can't trade the way that you do. That's what you're doing is great and it works. And
Yeah.
I know it works. And I know lots of people that make money that way. I know I can't. Well, I mean, maybe I
Well,
could, but
I
I'm not.
tell you, you can. You know why you can? Because you are doing it on a long-term scale. The minute
Yeah.
you switch the mindset that I can, right? The minute you switch
I know.
I can. It's all about wordplay, right? Because if you
Yeah.
continue to say I
Yeah.
can, you're
Get
always
that. I get
gonna be you can't, right? It's just like when somebody said, you can't do 251 trading days green. Okay, I can do 251 trading days be green. I did 30, I did 20, I did 5,
Yep.
I did 60.
Yep.
What is stopping me from doing 250? What is it? So
Well,
I have to switch the clock in my mind and saying every day I get up, I'm going to be green, and make it a duty or make it positive that it's going to be a green day.
There goes Tesla.
I'll just tell you, like, I just bought a PlayStation 5, and I only just played Grand Theft Auto 5, and I'm somebody who grew up playing fucking Grand Theft Auto where you look top down, you fucking break into the cars and all that sort of shit. I played Grand Theft Auto 3 and 4, but fucking racing down the highway, I'm still in these fucking cars. I'm sitting there on my bed, and I feel like I'm gonna fucking fall off the fucking bed. I'm worried I'm gonna fucking crash the car. I don't
It's
want
just a
that.
game. It's just a game. It's just a
Yeah.
game. It's just
So
a game.
if I'm gonna do something with that level of fucking excitement, then I want to go to the casino. All right, I want to sit there. I'll get some fucking chips and I'll fucking chill.
What's that, Bashan?
What you say, Bashan?
No, I was agreeing with him. The casino part.
No, the casino.
Then what do you want me to do at the 12 o'clock? You want me to push it?
Yeah, one.
One? Okay.
Yeah, one.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Yeah, 1 o'clock. You was taking.
Man, I'm loving these fucking candles though. I'm loving these 1 minute candles.
Yeah.
Can you take a look at Roblox?
On what? Which one? Roadblock?
Roblox?
Yeah, we could do Roadblocks. Somebody keep an eye on View at $2. Or BLX.
I'm in Roblox.
Yeah, I'm watching View, Steve.
Thanks.
I'm in Roblox 4060.
Roblox looks good. 4150. Huh, 41.
Is Roblox the video game?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Right. So is it actually publicly traded as an entity?
Yes.
That game. Wow. Why is that not higher? Fucking hell. Everyone wants fucking Roblox gift cards and shit.
Oh yeah, man. Everything you could think of. If it could be traded, they will put it in them. stock exchange. Roadblocks right here. It needs to break this. This is this cup and handle right here. So we need to
The
fill this
resistance
gap
on
here.
low blocks is yeah 40, 40
Yeah, we need to get through this.
4184. 4184.
You want to wait
Fuck, I
for
love you.
support here and bounce off here. So this cup here. That's good. GTB. Let's see what's going. GTLB. Nothing. EMPH.
By bouncing.
Let's see what EMPH does down here. See what EMPH does down.
Morning, fellas.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Who just got in? Jonathan?
Yes.
Good.
How's
Okay.
everybody?
Good morning, good morning. Just made it back here. Thank you, guys. Do me a favor, hit. And it
I
to
only
you.
back up the screen, is it? Roadblocks, is it?
Morning, fella.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Who just got in? Jonathan?
Yes. How's
Feedback here. Good morning, good morning. Watch
adjusting YouTube
EMPH at this level here, 10 104.37 level right there. Underneath 103 on EMPH. Let's see if we could, the market could stabilize itself here.
I think the news was not good today.
Which one?
Well, what are the results there? There was some news day. CPI or what was it? Jobs data came out bad, so that's not good for the stocks.
No farm jobs came out. It was
Yeah.
in
Oh, you
expectation.
talking about the job report? Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are we in Roblox?
Yeah. Away from that, I was just checking stock picks. Ain't nothing really moving right now. Okay, Roblox. Fill that cup. Fill that cup. It needs to fill that cup.
I could fucking watch you guys all night, eh?
Michigan consumer sentiment, non-farm payroll, unemployment rate. Oh, okay.
That was the CPI report.
Yep.
Oh. Got another little god candle there.
Let's
Yeah.
see the gold today.
Yeah, we just need RBLX to break this 41.50.
What the hell's happening with Bitcoin at the moment with these ETFs and shit?
Gold is in the
Oh,
up.
they're moving. They're moving. Mara is moving, right? Let's see what Mara is. Mara moved today. Look at that move on Mara. Okay.
Did you guys trade AMD today?
No, didn't do AMD today.
I
Yesterday
did.
was AMD.
Coin's up again today too.
I did.
Quite a few.
AMD. I did.
Yeah, there's quite a few big moves on there today, isn't there?
Yeah.
No, is that another Aussie?
No, UK.
Oh,
I
okay.
think AMD is pulling
You're
back right
not
now.
like you're not received pronunciation, so it was a little bit Aussie.
Could be. I've watched Crocodile Dundee a few times.
AMD is pulling back.
Yeah.
Steve,
AMD.
check Boeing.
What was your name, mate? The UK guy,
Indy.
Indy. And where do you trade your US stocks?
After work normally.
No, where do you trade? What platform?
Oh, IBKR.
Yeah, right.
Who's using IBKR?
You've seen.
The same does.
So Most of us did.
So do I.
Hey, Steve, you might want to check AVGO up off the bottom here. So,
Yeah.
yeah, it's changing direction.
But this is like almost full-time profitable gambling. Hey,
Yeah.
instead of going to the casino, you guys are just sitting there fucking gambling on this with educated risk.
It's probabilities, Rob.
Yeah. No, I understand. Like I trade. I just don't trade the way you guys do. I don't trade as quickly.
Okay, here we go.
Like this stresses me out, but it's also exciting.
AVGO, let's go.
Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. I'm in.
Let's go. VWAP target. Stop loss. Let's get stop loss right on the low here.
Well, that's too expensive for me. Not with end face down there to manage my.
Okay. And other
Not gonna-
opportunities to come in. Other opportunities to come in. Don't worry.
View
got
at
into
two.
roadblocks. I've got
View
into
at two.
roadblocks.
Probabilities are definitely better than roulettes, even if you're just trading on technical analysis.
Mm-hmm.
Where in Australia are you, Rob?
Queensland. So I live near the theme parks.
So west, is that the east coast?
Yeah, East Coast.
Yeah. What time is it there now?
Coming up on 3 a.m. Oh no, 3 a.m. Yeah, 3 a.m.
3 a.m. bloody hell.
Late night.
Yep.
Yeah, as I said, when I first jumped on here, I was just having a look at different things that were going on YouTube with live streams and all that sort of stuff, and just thought I'd join this chat and see what was going on here. It's interesting. It's just it's a different risk profile to what I normally do when I throw my money into stuff. Like I know that there is a lot of money to be made doing this, but I normally trade on a longer term basis.
I got long term.
I'm talking day, week, month, or year. So I'm not talking like years and years.
Yeah, gotcha.
Yeah, we like 30 seconds.
Yeah, I can see that. I can see that, and I know people that do. But normally, when I'm doing that, I like to be a lot more chill, and I know where the big money comes from in doing this is you need to have good capital behind it. Like you don't want to be flipping like fucking $5 and turning into 10. You want to be throwing in like 10, 20 grand and then flipping it for 15, 20.
Well, I don't even. I know the 20 grand will come. In days. In the meantime, I just continue to hit base hits, doubles, triples, and then when the home run comes, we'll maximize.
Oh, 100%, man. Like it's all got to work for you. It depends on your expenses. Everyone's got their own investment strategy.
Right.
Everyone's got their own expenses, and everyone's got their own lifestyle. Everyone's got their own things they need to maintain. So it's not like you can say one thing works for everyone. But for me, like if I wanted to live on it, then I'd need to make sure I had like at least $1 million sitting there in reserve in order to be able to sustain,
right,
a significant loss.
Absolutely.
to be able to make what I needed to make over the course of the year. Just doing some basic numbers in my head.
Gotcha.
I mean, but that's also Australian dollars, so it's talking. If I had $500,000 US, then yeah,
Absolutely.
but I don't know that I'm comfortable with that when I can just occasionally go to the casino every month. But the odds are better with what you guys are doing. So
Yeah, it works out better this way. I mean, and it could work out a bad way here too, just like the casino too. You know what I mean? So it's all about your risk tolerance. What are you willing to risk?
yeah, of course. I mean, but this is more. It's more of an educated decision with the decisions you make here, whereas a casino it's purely house edge. That you don't have any fundamentals or anything you can use to guide your decision when you go to a casino. People that think they do are just misguided. The casino wants you to think that you have some sort of
advantage.
strategy. Yeah. They want you to think, oh yeah, you're playing the game. Yeah, you come play blackjack. You know the rules. You know how to play blackjack. Oh yeah, don't play roulette. You can fucking mark down your cards all you want. You have extra cards. Mark them down. Go on, keep going. Yeah, I'll up your bet as much as you want. You got to play within our bet limits, but you can do that.
Tesla's going sideways, huh?
Yeah, it just
Yeah, looks it.
we'll see. We got our stop loss here, so we'll stop out if it pulls back.
Sin, I voted for you before.
On.
Sin was taking a poll. Everybody was green all this week, and I said, Sin's not here, but I'll say he is.
Yeah, that's
Because
good.
because right?
I know
Steve,
now.
on Tesla, it's going sideways, but the S&P has been going up for the last 5 or 6 bars on the 5-minute.
Sideways. So Tesla is not following the S&P.
So is Tesla looking heavy then? Like it will go to the downside?
No, not yet. Not yet. It's look at the support level here. Look at the strong support.
How are you?
I mean,
You guys
Spy's
are actually
really.
Yeah.
What's that?
Sorry.
Spy's doing the same thing as Tesla, basically.
Who's into INTS right now?
TS. So big support here on the
Intel.
IMPS.
No, INTS, I think.
IN.
Indigo, Nancy, Tom, Sam.
TS.
Intensity Therapeutics.
Nothing.
Nothing. Slow. Nothing there. Right now.
I don't want to interject on when you guys are talking business, but I just wanted to ask around that 5-minute candle that you were talking about.
What about it? On which one? On which stock?
No, I was just in general. You were starting to talk about 5-minute candles, so I thought you guys were moving a little bit quicker than that with your flips.
ABGO.
Yeah, it spiked up and came back down a little bit.
Pull back here. So stop losses here. Let me ABGO. See what we have in here. There's some resistance here. Look. Okay.
Yeah, it still looks good.
It still looks good. You was struggling at that $2 though.
There goes Tesla. Come on.
MB, that's a good setup.
You never made it, right? Come on, Tesla. Target on Tesla.
There goes your Tesla, brother.
You
broke.
Yeah, we good, man.
good on Tesla.
So what sort of time frame are you looking at with the
5
the
minutes.
flips you guys are doing?
5 minutes.
So you've got 5-minute candles.
Yes.
But what sort of time frame are you looking at for your buy and sells when you're executing orders?
Straight 5 minutes. I'm just looking on the 5-minute time frame. That's how I trade it.
No, he's talking about what Sean was talking about. 30 seconds.
30. Yo, okay. 30 seconds.
Sometimes 60 seconds.
Yeah.
See that 30-second and 60-second is just too much for me. Like,
It's more of a price level, not a time, right? Like
Yeah.
we've got
So
our
if you hit-
target.
Yeah, if you hit your levels, then you're in or you're out. Whichever
Yeah,
way you trade.
absolutely.
Sometimes all day.
All
Just
day.
waiting and waiting and waiting for the stock to.
We've
to
done
do
that
the
many times.
Yeah, right.
Goes Tesla.
Here we go. Tesla. Great trade on Tesla. Way to wait, guys. Way to
Yes,
wait.
sir.
Way to wait. Way to wait. Good job. Good job.
Today I went early and I didn't get burned, you know?
Yeah. There you go. 3/4 out.
Come on, you had your fire suit on today.
3/4 out. 3/4 out on Tesla.
Steve is on fire right now.
Yeah.
Not yet.
Yeah. I'm on fire soon. Just looking for that one. We got 1 hour to go. I got an appointment at 1. So we got 1. I was gonna leave at 12, but we here now.
So I'm just curious, like, and again, you know, like he's already spoken to me. He's not really working with. He's not really trying to work with a lot of liquidity. You know, like working with what he wants to work with. You know, for me, if I'm playing a game, and you know, like I do on stock, then you know, in terms of US dollars, I'd want to have $500,000 sitting in capital. To have sitting there. It's not necessarily like I'm going to play like $500,000 on each trade. What do you guys, if anyone's happy to talk about it, and don't get me wrong, you don't have to. If anyone's happy to talk about it, like, what do you think is a comfortable number that you want to have sitting there if you want to try and do something like this where you're making money?
Well, the requirement for any platform is to do both ways to trade up and down. You would have to have about 25K in there, right?
Yep.
If you want to, which is going to take a little bit slower time to get to your result that you want to look for, depends on how experienced you are, I would say. Now, if you're not that experienced, right? I would say start off small. Start off with your shear size small. But if you really want to make some good money, start off with 100K.
I mean, it's not really. It's more about having the reserve. So you know what I'm talking about is like the reserve that you have sitting there, and then you've got the amounts that you trade on each trade. So,
well, like, say if I got say 100K, right? I would use 70% of that and have 30% in the reserve.
Yeah. Okay.
Right? So I'm going to be playing with 70% of that, and then 30% is going to make sure that I don't go below where I'm going to be flagged, right? So I'm always going to trade above what the requirement is and stay above that and try to build on that. Okay? Yeah.
So if you started with $500,000 and US dollar terms, you're going to be comfortable in terms of.
Oh yeah, absolutely, absolutely. If I got $500,000, I could make $1 million in less than 2 days. I mean, in 2
Fuck.
days, less than 3 days.
Jesus Christ.
I'll give you my money.
I'm not going to make that in a year. Jesus.
Yeah.
It takes me fucking a year to make $500,000.
Oh
If I
yeah.
have a half a mil, I'm not gonna go trade again.
But
Oh, yeah,
think
like
about it.
it
Think
depends
about
where
it.
you live.
What
You
you
know?
know
Depends on
with
your
half a mil, what you
Yeah.
know with
Yeah,
half
yeah.
a mil, and you're educated enough in this market, you could flip that.
That's true.
Yeah, but I mean, I don't want. I mean, the way that I invest my money is I look at the fundamentals of the business. So I do trade stock, and I trade it quite often. And like I have my targets, and I look at the fundamentals, and I look at the bottoms, and I look at the double bottoms, and I look at the bull flags, and I look at the potentials. I look at everything,
Uh-huh.
and I make money with the capital that I have, but
Right.
I don't make $500,000 in fucking 2 days. I'm telling you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So, but I know people that make a lot of money on day trading. I don't know. I'm sort of sold on it.
Yeah. Through
Thanks to
this.
Zen. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes. Thanks,
Zen.
Rob.
But, yeah.
If you were here during this journey, you would have seen some of that, some of those in action, right? And if you go back to the video, some are scalping. We do scalp some, make 10, 15, boom, like that, right? Try to repeat that 3 or 4 times. That's half a mil right there, right? That's 100,000 right there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's here when the market is liquidated and moving in your direction. It's there. It's just that, are you willing to wait to get it? And some people are not patient enough to wait. You take 80, okay? 80 is good for me to take in a day. Tomorrow I could make another 80. In 5 days, I make 80 every day. You know what? That's going to be easy said and done, right? But if you have a strategy, you could do that. Absolutely. Easy money. Look at AVGO. I tell you.
That's the thing. Like, I have a strategy, but what you guys do is very different to what I do. So I invest in the fundamentals, and when I know there's an opportunity, I throw a lot behind it, and I make good money with that. But I don't flip as quickly as you guys do. So this is all. It's all still looking at the fundamentals, and it's all still.
Tesla. Let's look at Tesla.
Guys, let's do some trading, man.
Oh,
okay.
We're looking for deals.
Stay here.
NVIDIA reversing.
AVGO coming back up, Steve.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
We're gonna get our target. We're gonna get our target. Don't worry.
Yeah, that 922 looks good.
Yeah, 922, 921.
Me, like the way that I trade, a God candle is fantastic for me to find my exit point. But for you guys, a God candle probably isn't the best thing because you've got this massive rally up and you have your exit targets,
right?
But then you have potential opportunity above and beyond that.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely.
But you're trading in such shorter time frames compared to what I am, and I'm still trying to get my head around it. And I've also been drinking, which is really good when you start speaking about money and people start talking about $500,000. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you Rob? Are you a long-term
Tesla coming up, guys?
Yes. Rob is a long-term investment.
Yeah, if you're a long-term investor, that would be great. But in here we are day trading, so
Yes, I know. I understand. So the big candle isn't really the best thing. It's more the volatility for the day trading. It's
Right,
more the up and down.
volatility, volume, right?
Yeah,
Volume
yeah.
and yeah,
There
yeah.
goes
We need
Nvidia, too.
volume and momentum and
Yeah, I
the
understand.
direction, the change of the market. So we need that change in the market for us to be able to be successful. Like, look at this Tesla trade now. It's
Yeah,
off
let's
the
get
bottom.
focused here.
For
Yep.
here on Tesla, we got to get through this 242 now to be able to take a trade on Tesla, right? Because it breaks this support and break down. For it to come back up, we need for it to break this support now becomes resistance. Yeah, so
but no,
that's what I would be
like
waiting
all that makes sense to me. Like I understand all that.
Uh-huh.
It's just the shorter time frames.
Okay. Yeah, you're trading a longer time frame. Like if you go on the monthly, you would trade in a month. I would go back couple
Well, I mean,
months,
I
maybe.
go day, week, month, and year. So
Yeah. So
depending on the
Anybody
this
business.
is a 6 months chart right here, right? Then you
Yeah.
would chart this up for 6 months, right? So
Yeah,
let's
yeah.
get out of this here.
Yeah.
I could do this. Show you through what.
Sorry to hijack your channel
I
in the
got a
chat,
point.
guys. Like if I'm
No, you're good.
interrupting anything, just
Yeah, we got
please go back to.
No, you're
Okay,
good.
boys, I'm done for the day. Reach my
That's it.
target. Reach my target. Done.
There
A
you
little
go.
late today, you said.
5 days.
I'm gonna go and have some fun.
There you
See you
go.
guys.
Remember the
Enjoy.
days you used to stay till 4?
have a good day, Yasin.
It's a public holiday today here. So
Man, it's always a
yeah,
public holiday there.
and I've got a wedding
Hey,
to
my
attend.
friend, where are you from? Where are you from?
So yeah, I'm all over the world.
Have a good weekend,
No,
Yasin.
I'm from Australia, so.
From Australia.
Weekend,
I've been to
Yasin.
Australia, been to Sydney.
VGO
I'm from South Africa.
AVGO. Yep, look at that.
Well, happy Profit Day.
Yeah,
Thank
you.
absolutely. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great 5-day win, brother. Congratulations.
Yes, sir.
Let's get to
Thank you.
some good
Good job. Good
cash
job.
right here for you, buddy. That's what I'm
Thank
talking
you.
about. Yes.
Hold on. Hold on. What's that?
So this is a 6 months chart right here. So if I'm analyzing doing what you're doing, Rob, this is how I would approach Tesla on the knowing that I'm gonna wait for this level and then I'm gonna invest in Tesla at this level and trying to get Tesla my target over a period of months. This would be my target on Tesla. Okay, not saying that I can't do that, but which free up more time for me to do whatever I want to do, right?
Exactly.
I know, okay, my alert is going to be here, and I know this is going to be my target on Tesla because Tesla is coming up from the bottom. Absolutely, that's a great strategy. Ain't nothing wrong with that, man. It works, and a lot of people trade like this. So don't feel bad that, just because you don't trade the way we trade, that's a great strategy because then, comes in 12/8, right? Which is today. You're looking for it here. Look around maybe 12 at the end of month, maybe January. You're looking for it to break this level here, right? See what it does after December and see where it's at. And knowing that you're constantly watching this level, knowing that you're going to take a big trade right here for it to go up, right?
Are you gonna let Hey Steve, are you gonna take a partial on AVGO after the VWAP?
Yeah, I want to see it touch my
VWAP first. Gotcha.
touch my level here. Let's see if we get it. The market is being stagnant right now. It's being lazy.
Yeah.
It's moving down.
Yeah, there's not much. There's not much money flowing in, or there's not much volume in or out.
It's Friday.
Sort of.
It's Friday. Everybody's ready for the weekend.
Exactly.
Friday night.
Supply pushes
Saturday
above
morning,
the walk will
Saturday.
be good.
And again, I'll tell you, Rob, that
Yeah, go on. Sorry.
I've waited till 5 minutes before the market closed and make some amazing trade at that point, because we know that going into the close, the market is going to make a move at some point. Not on every stock, but it does. And
it does. It definitely. There's a lot of volume going in and out of the market just before close. It doesn't always mean there's a lot of movement.
Yeah.
But there definitely is a lot of volume. There's always people trying to cash their positions, and there's always a lot of people that are throwing money in and trying to, get their position before the weekend hits.
Absolutely. I'll watch.
You guys, do any of you guys use like overseas accounts and stuff like that?
Some people does. Some people does. I mean, if they
Guys,
can't use,
yes.
use it in the US, I think they use overseas.
I mean, me to trade the US market, I have to trade overseas. It's not really easy to access the overseas markets from Australia. Like it's not illegal.
You should be able to. All you do is like similar from the UK. You deposit. You make your deposit in pounds, and then you just convert it at the brokers into dollars, and then you trade the dollars. You should have the same thing with the Australian dollar as well. You have IBKR there, don't you?
Yeah, but I mean, when I use my Laos bank account, it's a lot easier.
Okay, I don't know.
Well, I mean, I don't actually incur any capital gains or anything over there.
Because okay, yeah. So that's different then. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's let me using an offshore.
Yeah. Offshore. Yeah.
But anyway, we don't talk about it.
No, we shouldn't.
We don't talk about that.
Yeah. We should.
None of us do anything.
PSA.
Ever.
We should.
Yeah, we should. We definitely should.
PSA, we should. Okay. Sean, we in the money.
Yes.
ABGM, beautiful guys.
Yes, sir.
PARA. Check it out.
Let me take some profit out of
Brazil.
Yeah, I took 3/4, Steve.
Yeah, good job. We hit our target. That's all that matters, right? Boom. That's good. Let the rest ride. Let the rest.
Yeah,
ride.
Jonathan, are you out of AMD?
Sorry?
Are you out of AMD now? You reversed it?
Yeah.
So have you caught it to the upside?
No, downside.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're not based in Calgary, are you, Jonathan?
I'm based in Calgary.
Oh, is that AMD?
I lived in Calgary for a few years.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Down by Mackenzie Lake, is it?
Yeah, that's a good, nice community.
Yeah, I used to work in High River, Western Financial Group.
Oh, I see. High River.
You say, like, this is the difference with the day trading and all that sort of stuff. See, when I look at AMD and Intel as businesses, I look at like what's happening with the RISC-V architecture and what's happening in that market where RISC-V is, potentially going to excuse me, I am very drunk. But Risk 5 is about to unleash on the consumer desktop market. So their technology is not as advanced as, but Risk has a very simple architecture, and that's what it is defined as.
Okay.
So over the course of the next, say, 5 years, Risk is probably going to be something that is really going to be dominating the market. Excuse me, sorry. You think about what happened with Apple and Apple M1, M2, M3. That technology is based on ARM, and ARM is based on Risk. So ARM is something that licenses the technology to Apple, whereas if they just use the initial Risk component, that technology, without going through ARM, then they wouldn't have to pay any licensing fees back to ARM.
Okay.
So that's what I look at with that technology sector. So there's still a lot of growth for AMD, Intel, and a number of
Absolutely.
different other
And then you got
technology.
the major player like Microsoft, and you got Nvidia.
Oh yeah, no. But the major players with the Risk aren't Intel and AMD. The major players are, as you said, Microsoft, Amazon,
Yeah.
and
Google.
Google. That's it, 100%. Microsoft, Google, and they're the ones that are going to be leveraging the Risk architecture. So that's where I look at my investment strategies. So again, I keep coming back to this is all. I see these God candles, and I see the potential for huge profits, but I'm just not used to trading that way.
Gotcha. Watch this AMD at 128.
Mate, you're making my fucking dick hard.
Steve, AMD, are you taking it all the way to VWAP?
Right above this level here. See, we'll look
Fucking
for
send it,
128.70 cents if it gets there. Because remember, not saying VWAP. VWAP is another resistance, right? Look at this level here to show you where. That's the reason why I want to take it there, because look at this here, pre-market, right? See that pre-market resistance here? So if I'm going to take it at this 128, I'm looking for about 80 cents or so, right? That's it. Within the 80 cents, if I get 60 cents, I'll take 3/4 out at 60 cents, right? Make sense?
Gotcha. Yeah.
And let the rest run. Only if it breaks, and if it shows that it's going to have potential to get it here. We just got to be patient. There's some pressure here too. Look, there's a pressure here at this level here, right? There's pressure coming back up. That is resistance now. So you got to break through that resistance level here, this double bottom here, in order for it to get back to that 129 VWAP. So it's building right now. Let's see if it's a bigger volume bar. The previous one was what, 821, and this one right now we just have 100. So it's not strong enough to pass this one now. Let's see if this one.
We never know what it's always very difficult to predict what the volume is going to be. You never rally up's going to look like.
Still coming back down again.
See, that was 8. This was 5 now after it finished. So this one got to be over 8. This got to be 9 or more, right? But that's to get through here. Okay.
All right.
128 is my stop loss, so I'm on the downside right now.
Okay, good for you.
Almost hit my stop loss.
That was a great trade.
Did you profit, man?
Not yet, not yet. Because my stop loss is 128. The profit target is 126.5.
Right now we're struggling.
Yeah, right.
Did you take out some partial?
Yeah.
Good.
So if I hit my stop, it will be break even.
Good. There we go.
Nice.
Let's go. See how much is in this candle here. Not enough yet.
Kind of surprised in Nvidia right now. It's slowly climbing up, but
We got 10 cents to go, 11 cents to go. I want to see 128 print. Then we could go.
Have you guys ever tried to do something like they did with GameStop? Or it was GameStop, is it?
no, that's so volatile. I don't do that.
No, I'm just saying, have you guys ever tried to rally something like that?
No.
Because I mean, if it's been done before, it can be done again, right?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Because I mean, like people value the market essentially. You know, like the only reason anything has any value is because people assign a value.
Uh-huh.
So there's no reason why you can't pump the stock.
Oh yeah, I don't see why not. But you know, am I going to tell you to? I don't know what your second account is. I don't know what everybody ability is.
Zen.
Yeah.
Zen, can you just that microphone you've got there? Can you just bring it a little bit closer? Just a little bit closer.
Yeah.
See, like you tell somebody to do it, they do it.
Yeah, yeah. I got you. I got you.
Who the fuck am I?
I got you. But then again, I tell somebody to do it. Am I going to be responsible if it doesn't work that way, right?
I'm not telling you're going to make money. I didn't say you were going to make money by bringing that microphone closer.
No.
Just say, fucking buy it.
You're
Buy
right. You're right. You're right. You're exactly right. But it's the
I've
same.
I've been playing
But
with
there's no risking. There's no risking him bringing. There's no financial risk in him bringing the microphone closer.
Right. There's no. Yeah.
But people are compliant.
People do. I mean,
right. You're right.
it's like
the same thing. People are fearful as well. You got to keep that in mind. So you know, it is as for me. It wouldn't be fearful for me to take the trade because I'm confident in what I'm doing. Right. A lot of people are not confident in the trade. So to build that confidence now, or say somebody's here now, you got to build this over time. That where you see this, or you're in this community long enough. You're in it long enough to where you see this over and over again, and you see the Zen take this trade over and over again, and then boom, I have the confidence now to take it because the Zen is taking it. I can't let everybody take it. I could say, hey, listen, I like it here. This is where I see the potential, and break down every possibility what it's gonna happen. And if it doesn't happen and it go against you, again, you're not always going to be 100% right. But when you're right, you're right. And when you're wrong, you're wrong. And that's it. That's just part of the trade.
Narcotics.
You know what I mean?
Man speaks the truth. That's why we need to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes. Thank you.
But anyway, sidetracking again. People listen.
Yes, for sure.
People do what they're told.
So
20 minutes, brother.
So as you could see, it's starting to build now, right? Look at the next candle. It's 6. The previous one was 5. So we need to be over this level to break this level at 128, right? We got 16 cents to go.
Oh, let's go, boys. Like I'm really just watching, but I want to see it pump for you guys. Let's go.
Let's
I
go.
want to see you all make money. Let's go. Let's fucking go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's effing go.
Let's go. Let's go. The market is not giving it to us right now. So just got to be patient.
Hey, no swearing here.
Yes, absolutely. Nobody would ever swear. Definitely nobody from Australia.
You can swear in silent. It's 2 fingers if you're from the UK, or the middle finger. As long as your camera's off.
We'll respect it. That's
Well,
all.
I would put my camera on. I've got no problem having my camera on. I'm just outside. As soon as the sun comes up, you can watch it.
It's summer there, isn't it? Hey, Rob?
Hey?
It's summer there,
Yeah,
isn't it?
7 points. Let's go. 5.
It was
5.
Look at those candles,
5.
man.
5.
I can tell.
5. 5. 5. 5.
I never watch candles like
Entry.
this level.
Entry.
I mean, I do. I actually do watch, candles
Got filled.
like this.
But you can fill that 128.03?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
You make some money, man?
And not yet. We in the money green now.
You made money before you woke up.
Yeah. All day.
Oh, I thought you might have had like a sell limit order or something on 128.
Market on straight green.
Steve, are you looking at time and held at all?
Oh, look at that. Look at it. Look at it go. That's a good candle. Come on. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that green deal though.
What's that, Sean?
Beautiful.
AVGO just hit VWAP.
Beautiful.
Sorry, Rob, I had to mute you for a second. What's that, Sean?
AVGO just hit VWAP. Works so
Nice.
good.
Nice.
Gotcha.
There you go. Beautiful. Hit our target. That partial is running, Sean. Next target. Next target.
Yeah, I got a partial on that too running.
Good.
Yeah. Good job, guys. Way to do it.
Beautiful. All right, Rob, you can unmute yourself when you want.
There you go.
Yeah, no, all good. All good.
We had to work through to that
Yeah.
trade.
AMD. Let's get money.
That was beautiful, boys.
Let's get money. There you go. Let's get money. Come on. AMD, one more pump. Let's do it. So you see how I was tracking the AMD trade, right?
Yeah, I'm watching.
The 821, then we went from 821 to 5 as we building, right? The next one has to be more. 6. There you go. 7. Okay. So for this to pump more, is this candle gonna finish a little bit higher and complete? Let's see how many minutes we got left in it. 50 seconds. Okay. So this is gonna close at 7 something. The next one we need to be at 8 to change, right? To go higher.
That is, have you essentially set like a sell limit order?
No, I'm straight
close?
market order. Straight market order.
Okay.
Yeah, limit order. I only do limit order pre-market and after hours. That's when I'll do it.
Yeah, I think AMD and Nvidia both have like a reverse head and shoulders.
You got 8 seconds left in the candle.
Let's see what happened on this candle here. Look at it. 736. Okay. Here we go.
It's pretty exciting.
A nice cool, boom, 3/4 out. Can't ask for anything more than that, right?
Easy money.
Easy money. Easy money. Easy money.
I don't know if I want to do it or not. I do, but fuck.
Oh, we're here anytime you're ready to decide it. We could coach you through it. And not only that, there's
Oh
tons
yeah,
of,
no, 100%. I can
there's
see
tons
that.
of video,
Guys, good.
tons of video on on YouTube in the Zen Zone. You could check some of them out.
100%. Anyone's just tuning in right now needs to go back and check through that catalog, because anything you want to know about day trading and stocks,
Yes,
you got to check out that Zen Zone.
yes, absolutely.
Like, comment, subscribe. You got to jump in these live chats, because you're going to get the best education you could ever ask for.
Absolutely. Appreciate the shout. And like I said, you got the links. Come back at any time. Monday through Friday, we start off our Zoom at 10. We got about another 16 more days to go, Mark, right?
15.
15 more days.
Actually, today's 15 more, so it's already 14 for Monday. You're already
Monday
green
would
today.
be 14 days to go to end the year.
Yep.
The one Green Day challenge, guys.
I mean, you guys are actually almost exactly the opposite time zone to me.
Oh yes. Oh yeah. Absolutely. So 251 trading days, 14 days to go to end the year 2023. Man, it's been an exciting year. Okay. So if you want more of this, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, let you know when I go live, and also get the stock pick of the day every day at 9 a.m. Even now, I started to put the stock pick at 12 o'clock previous day. Okay. So you could have a look at it, so you could be ready for the next day. So if I don't post it at midnight, then you will definitely get it at 9 a.m. every morning. So that's the time frame you might get it. Okay? So that's how it is in the Zen Zone.
That's why you've got people all over the world just watching. You know, you've got Australia, you've got the UK, you've got Germany, you've got South Africa, you've got India, you've got everyone. Everyone's tuned in. Everyone's sitting there. They're waiting. They're watching your content.
Absolutely.
They're all tuned in. They're all ready, and they're all making money.
Yes, sir. That's the only goal. We pick them, we trade them, we make money. AVGO 923. Next target 923 for AVGO. Got to get over that resistance through the VWAP there. Oh, good.
Yeah, I missed it yesterday. I wasn't gonna miss it today, man.
Yeah, there you go.
And your accent is so close to Aussie, eh?
Who was?
His accent is so close to Australian.
Oh, it's mine.
Whose accent?
Whose accent?
Whoever was speaking. Who was the most? Mark?
Sean.
I ain't got no accent, man.
Coming from
It
the
wasn't
country.
Sean. No, it wasn't. It wasn't.
It wasn't
someone.
Sean.
It wasn't me. I tell you that it wasn't me.
Yeah, it was a British. The British guy was
Indy.
Oh,
right?
Indy. Yeah.
Indy.
Oh, okay, all right. I was gonna say Sean.
Yeah, Indy.
I can probably do an Australian accent, but I won't try on this. It's been recorded.
Nobody's going to judge you. You can do it very nice.
Yeah.
Let's go, bro. Let's
You
go.
check CR SP.
CRSP. Traded that stock long time ago. And we got a support here. Let's see here.
Oh.
I need to see it break through the VWAP.
That's a fucking bull flag there.
It's nice cup and handle here. It needs to fill that. Need to fill that.
Bets. Don't you love that?
Remember, it's Friday, so just be patient with these trades, okay?
Yeah.
Steve, what's your,
Don't you love
what's
that?
your,
Don't you
what's your
love that
take on
pump
Nvidia,
up?
Steve, for long?
VWAP support
Just popped.
over 77. I want to see it over 77.
I think anything GPUs is go long.
JP
You know
is
what I mean?
nice. JP is nice over 58, 158. Got to get over 158 JP more. Yeah, I got to see Nvidia use this support and get back over here.
You wouldn't take it from there because it's above.
No.
Is it because it's going sideways and slowly going
Yes.
above VWAP?
Yes, and there's the volume is not.
Yeah. Okay.
It's not there yet. I need to see it do this like it did here, like off this level here. Let's show you. Look at this. Let's make this a little thinner. Like it did right here. See this level here? I want to see it do this, right? The same thing. Almost find this support level here. It doesn't show the VWAP here, but if you draw the line, that is VWAP, right? This level here. This level here is VWAP, okay? So I want to see it does this right here. I want it, boom, target. 3/4 out here. That's how you would operate with this trade here. Anything after that, let it run, okay?
Yeah, okay.
This was
what time frame is that? That chart
5
over.
5 minute time frame.
Yeah, 5 minute candle.
Yeah.
But from the start of that chart to the end, what time frame is that?
From here to here?
From the very, very start.
The dark area is just a day, so
Yeah,
9:30 till 4.
Okay.
The grey area is pre-market.
Yeah.
And,
okay.
And this is aftermarket. Yeah.
Yep.
So
the
market opened here, and then
Yeah,
we
nice.
have this area to trade in before the market closes.
Nice.
You want to recap? We got 7 minutes. You want to
7
recap?
minutes? Okay,
Yeah.
let's
You
do
wanna
7
recap?
minutes recap here. Okay, docs, stock pick of the day, DOCS.
Well, guys, I just want to before you recap here, just want to say thanks for having me, and anyone who is interested in having a look at day trading and finding a really nice group of people to educate you without looking at a way to exploit you or trying to use your funds to manipulate their investments in a way that you become exit liquidity for them. This is a place to be.
Thanks,
So
Rob.
thanks so
We
much
appreciate it.
everyone that's hosted,
Appreciate that.
and thanks
Thank
to the
you.
community.
Thank you. We
Take
appreciate
care,
it.
and
Thank
happy Christmas and Australia Day.
You
And
too,
whatever else.
you too, Rob, and appreciate those kind words, man. And it couldn't said any better than Rob said it, right? This is what I'm here for, okay? And when I started out this journey, that's my only goal. We could go back and talk about that. You'll see that in my portfolio on the website, what's my goals are. And once we launch in 2024, you'll see all of that and what the mission statement is, right? We abide by the mission statement, we stick by that, and that's how we're gonna change lives, right? One trade at a time, right? And as soon as as long as we build this community and everybody understand this community is about what we do, our mission statement is all about, and anybody's not about it, then they're not gonna be traded in the community because that's not what we're about, right? We're about teaching, educating, and generate wealth through our trading, and that's it. And we're not gonna go away from that. So I appreciate that, Rob. Well said. Thank you, guys. I'm gonna go over the pre-markets, the market stuff, and I gotta run out and do appointments. So enjoy your weekend. If I don't see you guys over the weekend through the chat, then I'll see you on Monday. But thanks, Rob. Come back anytime. Feel free. Okay.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you. Thank you, Steve.
You're welcome, Mike.
Yeah, thanks, Steve, man.
Thank
Yeah.
You have a
brother.
good weekend, brother.
Appreciate you.
Have a good weekend,
Thanks.
Steven.
So I'm gonna go over the stock picks before I head out. Still
Oh,
got
yeah. Oh, thanks for having me, man. I appreciate it.
my pleasure.
But you know, like as you said, you know, like it's really down to us to control our future and control our finances. We can't be relying on anyone else to do it. You know, you've got the capital, even if it's $100, if it's $1,000
All right,
bucks. There's multiple different platforms and multiple different ways you can get on board.
Yeah.
So you
We
find a
got 4
platform.
minutes. We got to wrap this up.
Yeah, go ahead. Rob. Go ahead. What you were saying?
Oh yeah, no, I'm just saying. You know, like you have the financial freedom. It's within your hands. You find platforms like this. You find different groups like this where you have people that are freely willing to share advice and share their experiences and stuff like that. And you need to seize upon that, and you need to take that because I've had this sort of stuff when I was growing up. I'd be in a I'd be cruising on the yacht right now. There's so much money out there, and it's up to us to work on it and seize it. And it all starts with just a few bucks today.
Absolutely.
So over to you, man.
All right, thank you.
Thanks for
Thank
jumping
you,
in,
thank you. I
channel.
appreciate it. Yes, sir. Appreciate it. DOX, as you can see, it's having some hard time at 2460, right? And just in a channel right now, right? Sideways. So the only thing you should be looking for DOC is this level to break down, right? And this level to break up. Other than that, you're not looking for anything else on DOC going to the close. Okay, that's that. Don't force the trade. The volume is not there. Wait for here or wait for there. Okay, if you really want, then you could probably pick this level here right through the VWAP. It bounced through here, and then that's another option. But for me, I would wait for this level. I need clarity that it's going to break this level with volume and momentum switch, right? PRDO didn't really give us anything today, so I didn't trade it today. As you could see, it's still in a channel, hasn't break higher, hasn't break lower. So the same thing, the market is giving us in a range right now. We're in a range, okay? Same thing, lower, higher, okay? Tesla, we already trade Tesla already. Let's see where Tesla is at. Your Tesla breakdown to the support here. Let's set up something for Tesla, okay? Market change direction. This would be a short on you on Tesla.
Don't forget AMD.
I will do AMD, no worry. I got you. Look at AVGO, Sean. 924, easy money.
Yes, sir.
Okay. On the way back on Tesla, I would look at this level right here. Okay. VWAP. All right. Like you have a strategy. This would be a VWAP strategy right here. Okay. On the way back up, this would be your target. Okay. This would be your target, right? On a reversal. Okay. 3 quarters out, let the rest ride. The second target, all right, at the top. So this is how I would treat Tesla on the way up. And then it breaks this level here, then this becomes your stop loss. As it goes up, you just inch your stop loss up, almost like a trailing stop loss, okay? But for right now, let it keep doing what it's doing. I like it right here, all right? And that's how I would trade Tesla. EMPH. EMPH is coming up off the bottom now. Okay, below 103. 103, I like 103 long, right? 103 long. All right, 103 long. Stop loss would be your low, right? This would be your target on the long side, right? If it has the momentum. And then the low would be your short. And again, I don't like to trade at the low of the day, but if the momentum is pushing the market down, why not, right? Then the low would be your entry and this would be your stop loss, or you could put your stop loss at this top here, okay? So from the low here, just watch it, okay? On EMPH. Second target would be right here, okay? And that's how you do it. 3/4 out, let the rest ride, so forth and so forth, okay? But if this is gonna be the low, watch this, you could scalp this through this level here to this target here, okay? Or build a position, all right? I like it. This 103, we got 17 cents to go. So that's what you're watching, 103, and take it long. And looking for a 90 cents, right? GTLB. And we already know. That's where we want GTLB, and that would be your target, okay? This is your stop loss, okay? All right, and that's gonna do it for me. AVGO, stock pick of the day. Stock of the day, AVGO off the bottom. Great trade, guys, whoever took that. Sean, good job. Like always, we all did great this week. 5 days. Give yourself a round of applause, guys. Celebrate. Don't be afraid to celebrate. You did a great job this week. You stick in it. You stick by it. You stick by your principle. You stick by your rules, and you achieve it, right? Celebrate. Take your wife out. Go out. Buy yourself something. Buy your shoe. Buy your shirt. Buy a hat. Buy something. Celebrate it. You did it. You accomplished something that you haven't accomplished in a while. Now, let's start building on that. Let's build that momentum and build on that. 5 more days again. And then after that, you're going to be 10 days in. Sooner or later, you're going to be 15 days in. Sooner or later, you're going to be 20 days in, and you'll be like, how did I do 20 days, green days? That's how you become successful. One trade at a time. Momentum. Keep building. All right? Thank you guys so much, and thank everyone that checked in on YouTube. Appreciate you.
Thank you, Steve.
my
Thank you
brother.
again.
Yeah, thanks
And
everybody. Have a good
Have a
weekend.
good weekend. See you next week.
all right.
Enjoy your weekend, gentlemen. Thank you.
Yes, everyone.